Hello, my name is Tim Roth. Our service departments continue to grow at a tremendous pace. As we grow, our need for great people grows right along with it. Many of our best employees come at the referral of our current Crown team. That is where I need your help in finding and retaining great service technicians. Through the Crown Referral Bonus Program, if you refer someone who is hired as a technician and they successfully complete the 90-day probationary period, we'll add a cool grand to your check. It's that simple. Yes, you heard me correctly. We've doubled the bonus amount from $500 to $1,000 on every successful referral, and this will be extended through December 31st, 2019. Help us find that friend or family member who would make a great Crown technician. If you have any questions about the program, please reach out to your service manager. As a former technician myself, I understand how challenging and rewarding the job can be. Thanks for all you do in making Crown the leader in the material handling industry. And remember, stay safe out there.